So last year I built a Lego Winter Village, and this is the train station that I used as part of that village. The Holiday Main Street set comes with a train, a little trolley, so I decided to buy tracks and build my own custom Lego MOC train station. I designed this set after the Lego City train station, kind of on a smaller scale, but ultimately it has sort of two little shops. The theme of the set obviously is Christmas time and holiday time, so you'll see there's green windows as well as green and red overhanging above the two doorways inside of the set, as well as a little green sign. It's very basic. There's no real additional detail other than maybe a garbage can and a seat on the platform there, but just something to kind of reflect the the customization of a standard small town train station. And the set also comes with a stairway to go up and walkway over the train tracks, north and south train tracks, as most train stations would have. And then there's also a sort of a little ramp that goes down into the back, and it kind of cuts them. But it was a fun way. I designed it again with Studio, and it probably contains, I don't know, maybe 400 or 500 pieces. Easy to set up and build, but just something fun to do, and a nice way to kind of build out a custom Lego Winter Village.